Hello, and welcome to this ClearVantage video tutorial. In this QuickTake, you'll learn how to quickly set up your personal profile on Euclid's online community, as well as how to best take advantage of the many resources the community has to offer. To begin, I'll log in to the Euclid website using my username and password. If you don't know your password, you can click the Retrieve Password button and receive an email with your password after entering your username. Now that I'm logged into the Euclid site, you'll notice that a Community tab has been added to the main menu bar. Hover over the tab to expose more options and select Profile. As you can see, the profile contains only basic information. To add more information to my profile, I'll select the Update My Profile button. There's a wide variety of information I can add to my profile. To start, I'll make sure my basic information is correct. Keep in mind, everything you update on this form will be reflected in our ClearVantage database, so make sure the information you fill out is accurate. Next, I'll confirm my primary contact information. I also have the ability to enter alternate contact information if I desire. Now I'll enter links to my social media accounts. These will allow other CV community members to visit my social profiles. Now that I've completed all the information in this section, I'll select Save Primary Profile Information. A message will display indicating that my information has been saved. The Interests and Preference section allows me to choose from a variety of privacy and contact preferences. It also allows me to record some of my hobbies, interests, and skills. Filling out these interests will allow me to connect with other community members with similar passions. Again, I'll save this information before I move forward. Next, I'll upload a photo of myself for my profile picture and provide a brief profile description. And again, make sure to save your public profile. Finally, I'll fill out some information about my education and work experience, and then return to my profile. Now I can see all the information I just filled out about myself. You may also notice that entering this additional information earned me some additional stars. I can earn even more stars by taking actions such as sharing a thought, posting a picture, or writing a short blog post. When I share this information from my profile, it appears in various feeds on the community homepage. Now I can view all of the posts I have just made directly from my public profile. Of course, there's no sense in being part of a community unless I make some connections. I can request a connection with another community member by going to their page and clicking the Connect button. From here, Charlie will be added to my pending connections at the bottom of my profile until he has accepted my request. This is also where I can accept connection requests from other members. And see a complete list of my current connections. Now that I've made some new connections, let's see how the posts I made earlier are displaying on the community homepage. The community homepage is broken down into 8 sections. As I move through the different sections, you'll notice many of the posts I've just made have been added to the various feeds. At the top of the page, I have the ability to share an idea with the Euclid community. Below, I have the opportunity to see recent blog posts, recent forum posts, and recent thoughts. Continuing down, I have the ability to look at new members and connections. Finally, I can see all the recent community activity and pictures. Don't forget, you can also post questions and comments by clicking on this link to the Euclid forums, or by selecting Forums from the community menu. That just about wraps up our introduction to Euclid's user community. We hope that all of you will set up a profile and start sharing with us and your fellow Euclid clients. Thanks for watching.